Hello and welcome. Why is linguistics considered science? Linguistics can be understood as a science both in general and specific terms. How? Let's talk about this. In general term, linguistics adopt scientific approach to the study of language. So in more general way of explanation, the very approach the linguists adopt to study language is scientific, objective. In specific terms, linguistics studies elements of language which are both objective and verifiable. Whatever elements of language a linguist try to study, he or she tries to study in an objective and verifiable manner. Something that can be verified and proved. Something that is not a matter of my own personal whims and thinking. We have some more ideas about why is linguistics considered science, not art. Like natural phenomena in the physical world, language has a concrete shape and occurrence. Language too has concrete shape, like alphabets. Language too happens in a way many other natural phenomena happen around us. It is also God-gifted in the way we speak language, or in the way the same language is spoken in different ways by different persons in the same society. We have some more ideas about as physicist or chemist takes materials and measures their weights, densities, etc. to determine their nature, the linguist studies the components of language observing the occurrence of speech sounds. So like physicists, like chemists, and as they take materials and they measure and put on the weights and they try to measure their densities and so on. In the same manner, a linguist tries to study components of language. He observes the occurrence of speech sounds in various different ways and tries to verify what are the factors involving in producing certain speech sound. Therefore, linguistics is considered science. We continue with the same idea. The next idea is language, like other phenomena, is objective because it is observable with the senses. It can be heard with the ear. It can be seen when the vocal organs are in movement. So like many other natural phenomena, as you observe in an objective manner, you can verify, you can talk logically about. Likewise, elements of language can also be observed with the senses. Like when I speak something, you hear. And when I speak something, my vocal organs come into contact with each other to produce an utterance. That is the point here. We have some more ideas. Observation leads to processes of classification and definition in many branches of knowledge. When you observe something deeply, it leads to the process of classifying something and defining something. In science, each observable phenomenon is to be given a precise explanation. Thus, for example, the chemist classifies the elements into metals and non-metals. A biologist classifies living things into plants and animals. Therefore, in the same manner, in the same way, linguists observe the features of language or words belonging to a particular class based on similarity or difference with other sounds and words. Therefore, or thus, linguistics is an empirical science, as it employs the same techniques and methods to study a language as a scientist uses to study a particular thing. That is how linguistics is proved as science, and therefore is often called as the scientific study of language. That is basically the idea about why is linguistics considered science, not art. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.